By the time you make wrong, bad decisions, problems will crop up in your life. Bantay. Muna, God does not want you to make wrong and bad decisions in life by learning, studying, believing, and applying His Word. Muna. Muna gina-inculcation. Hala, balik-balik, balik-balik. Hala, bahala nagpulaan ka diha. Kaya yun sa man. Mo manipagi. Nga, sa diha nga ikaw mo himog desisyon, number 1, bantay. Aron ka makahimo og sakto, husto, maayong desisyon, be sure nga tuwa ka sa sulod sa protocol plan of God, otherwise called divine dynasphere. It's a place of power. Ano? You want power? Na, so diha sa power of God.